Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Anna Vanila. My channel is Anna Vanila Arts, and this is the channel where I share everything that I know, everything that I've learned so far in my life, and I share it with you. For today we have a knitting stitch, which is this one. As you can see, is elasticated slightly. It's quite elastic, it's quite stretchy, like so and like so. This is the front, this is the wrong side. The wrong side is simple, as you can see, but the front, it's magical. Look at these loops here, how it embraces each line and it creates texture, and it's just nice. I love it. It contains 4 rows, but these rows are just so simple you wouldn't believe. It's actually good for beginners because the rows are absolutely simple. You don't need to know much about knitting to be able to do this stitch. So what we do, we knit with front stitches first 2 rows. When you cast on, you knit front stitches both rows, the front and the back. The way basically you start the chain, not the chain, the cast, and then we continue the stitch. I've got 20 loops here, 20 stitches. The yarn is acrylic yarn. The needles are size 5, and to be easier for you, you can put a marker at the end here at the beginning of a round, so you know which one is the right side and which one is the wrong side. So here we are. We begin this pattern by not knitting the first loop, so we just take the first loop and pass it onto the right needle. Then what we need to do is knit 2 with a front stitch. 1, 2. So with every loop that we have, we knit 2 together with a front stitch. 2 together. It's easy, it's simple. This is how the pattern is. The stitches, it's very simple. 2 together, and then the last one we knit as a purl stitch. Then second row we do in this way. So the first loop we do not knit, we pass it on. Second loop we take with the right needle, we knit from the front, the back loop, so we take the back loop and we take this yarn from behind, hold it with the fingers, and then from the front we knit it like so, and then we release. So we make 2 loops out of 1 loop. So this is the loop. We go from behind, grab the yarn, we hold it, onto the needle. Then we knit from this side, from the front side. So we make from one loop 2 loops. So from behind and then from the front. So another loop from behind, hold it, from the front. So we make 2 loops. From one loop we make 2 loops. It's easy. From behind and then from the front. Behind, front, from behind, front, behind, front, and the last loop we always knit it with a purl stitch. Then what we need to do is we knit all of the loops with a front stitch. So the first loop we do not knit, so what we do, we knit it like so, from the front to the back, like so. We take the loop like so and we knit it with a front stitch, like so. And we do this all this row from the front, like so. And the last loop we knit it with a purl stitch. So now we do not knit the first loop, but we knit all of the loops with a purl stitch. Everything with a purl stitch. With the purl stitch, just like so. With the right needle from the inside, grab the yarn, release. It's easy for beginners, like so. And then purl stitch the last loop. Now, sorry for this tail, I'll hide it. Let's send it to the back. Okay, so this is the result of our stitches that we've made, like here. So you can see it's got this structure here, front stitches, and now all you do is release the first loop, and then we do 2 together. So we repeat from the beginning. So 2 together, 2 together with a front stitch, 2 together, and repeat all 4 rows. Second row we make from 1, 2, then we need a front stitch on all of the loops, and then on the back we knit it with a purl stitch everything. So that's how simple is this row. I hope you understood it, and even if you're a beginner you can still do it. I can assure you you can, with a bit of more patience. So thank you very much for watching and subscribing and for liking my videos. I'm sending lots of love to you and your projects. Hopefully they will turn out to be interesting and good. Please tag me to see your works, and thank you very much for stopping by, and see you soon in my next videos, which is very soon from now on. See you. Bye.